y'all, today we are marching in with Casseroles 2025. This is a huge collaboration hosted by my friend Greg at Greg's Cumberlatcha Kitchen, and he does this every year. I think this is the 5th year he's done it, and I've done it last couple years, and you are going to get a casserole recipe every single day in the month of March. He's also doing a big giveaway, and I had to write everything down because there's so many prizes that he's giving away, and I really want this one. There's a cast iron 9x13, which I would love. A casserole slow cooker, never heard of it, but I think I want it already. An enamel Dutch oven, double casserole carrier, and his mom, Miss Vicky, is going to give away a cookbook. So make sure you watch all the videos. Go to Greg's channel, like and subscribe. You'll love his channel. Lots of great channels that are in this collaboration this year, so I'll have a list of that. And I'll also have my recipe down below. I'm doing an Alice Springs chicken casserole. It is so much quicker than the regular one, but you can adapt it any way you'd like. I just cut up my chicken and cooked it and then mixed it with the honey mustard. And I'm just using bottled honey mustard. You can make your own. And I used a big cast iron skillet, but because you don't have to use a casserole dish. And I tried to find something that didn't use a cream soup, because every time I see a recipe, it's always got cream of chicken, cream of mushroom soup. And I wanted to try to stay away from that. And this one is so good. Very adaptable to whatever you like. I didn't have any mushrooms, so I just left those out, but it was still really good. And my grandson is so picky, and he ate every single bite of it. So it was that good. So I promise it's delicious and just as good as the regular recipe. You're just kind of doing it a little bit different, and it's going to cook a lot faster. So I'm always looking for a recipe that doesn't take that long, because I don't have a whole lot of time. So I hope you'll enjoy the recipe, and I know you'll love Greg's channel. So make sure you go down below and get all the information about all the channels, about Greg's channel, and about the giveaway. So I'll turn you around and show you how I made this casserole. It was so good. All right, I'm going to start off with some cut up bacon. I'm going to fry that until it's crispy, and then I'll put that to the side on a paper towel and let that drain, and I will use this bacon grease to fry my chicken. So I'm just going to cut it up into cubes. I was going to marinate it in the honey mustard, but I want the chicken to brown. I don't want it to steam. And I'm also going to use this cast iron skillet as my casserole dish, so I don't have to dirty up any more pans. So I'm just going to brown this, not get it all the way done, and I'm going to put it to the side, clean out my pan, and I'm going to add the honey mustard to the chicken now. And you can add just as much or little as you want. So just pour that on there and mix that chicken around. And then we're going to start layering that in the casserole dish or my cast iron skillet, because I don't want to dirty up any more pans. And you don't have to put it in a casserole dish. You don't have to use soup. I just don't like the canned soup. So I tried to find a recipe that didn't involve a can of soup. And I thought this was really easy. And now I'm going to add that bacon over the top. If I had mushrooms, I would put that in too, but my daughter doesn't like mushrooms, so I didn't add that. And now just top that with the bacon, and then I'm going to shred up some cheese. I'm using some Colby cheese, and just put that over the top. And basically, you're just going to heat this for about 15 minutes. The chicken is almost done, and all you've got to do is melt that cheese and heat it through. And this is the easiest casserole you've ever had, but it is so good, and you don't have to bake it in the oven for 45 minutes. So that's the kind of casseroles I like. So just put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes, and you could just make a salad, and this would be a delicious meal. But I went ahead and roasted some green beans and fried some potatoes in my air fryer, and that was dinner. And I just put a little bit more honey mustard over the top, and this was delicious. Even my picky grandson ate every bit of it, so that should tell you that this was amazing. I want to thank Greg for hosting. I'll have all the information down below in the description box about the giveaway, about Greg's channel, and all the people that are participating in this big, huge Marching In with Casseroles collaboration. So, hope you enjoyed it. I hope y'all have a wonderful week, and I'll see y'all in the next video.